Panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay magtatanim tayo ng mga punong kahoy. Kaya samahan nyo ako, let's go! Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa my farm. Magtatanim tayo ng punong kahoy. Kaya ito na, video muna tayo dito. Yan, dito na ako. Kita nyo yung mga farm dito guys, oh. Diba? Yan, dito tayo sa farm ngayon. Okay. Ano? Ganda dito guys. Ganda. Ito yung lumang trailer guys, oh. Lumang trailer, di ba? Ayan, oh. Lumang trailer yan. Dito na tayo guys. Lakad tayo. Ito ang bundok ng Isle of Man guys. Alaka. Yan. Dito tayo. Takbo. Ayan o. Yan. Yeah. Muddy. It's muddy guys.
Another 5 minutes because I've got coming up with us. Alright?
Alright. Thank you. Wow. Ito na guys. Ito ang farm dito sa Isle of Man guys. Taniman namin ng punong kahoy ngayon. Ayan o. Yan, ang ganda. Oh. Oh. Ikot-ikot lang. Yan, lakad-lakad tayo guys. Ayan o. Tanim tayo ngayon ng puno. Paano magtanim? Ito, Isle of Man. Ang ganda guys. Volunteer lang kami dito na magtanim ng puno para sa mga kabataan. Kasi matatanda na, kaya kailangan magtanim din bago mawala. Oo, kasi nung bagyo guys, maraming natumba ng mga puno. Kaya palitan. Ito. Ito yung sign, sabi nila. Tapos yun, may truck doon. Sa dulo, daw. Ayan oh. Yan. Kaya ito. Ang ganda ito. Fresh air dito guys. Ang ganda oh. Ito ang Isle of Man na bundok. Lapad. Guys, dito na. Dito na guys oh. Dito na guys oh. Dito na ang taniman guys. Ito na nga. Oh. Dito na nga tayo magtanim. Dito na tayo magtanim guys. Napansin nyo guys. Yan. Yan o. Yan. Oh, di ba? Taniman na dito guys. Dito pala magtanim. Napansin nyo yan. 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 Ito. 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 Dito na tayo guys. Dito na tayo guys. Tanim na dito. Dito na tayo guys. Tanim na. Ito pala ang ginatanim. Yan o. Yan o. Ito ang pagtanim nila pala. Ito pala. Ganyan. Yan ang pagtanim. Dito pala. Ito lang tayo. Ito pala ang mga gamit. Pala, guys.
Getting low on hammers now, aren't we?
Yeah. Oo. Ayo guys, magtanim na tayo guys. Ito ang pala dito guys oh. Tignan nyo ang pala dito guys oh. Iba. Maliit ang dulo. Malapad. Ito maliit lang oh. Diba de? Maliit lang. Maliit lang, oo. Ang ganda. Yeah.
That's the ground level there. This is already dug.
Dito guys oh. Dito na guys oh. I-dig niya. How deep that one? Oh, that road. Alright, okay.
Okay.
Yan. Ganun lang pala kalalim.
Get your soil to one side neatly,
Yeah.
especially the subsoil.
Yeah.
This is like the topsoil. It's got weeds in it.
Yeah.
There's subsoil down here.
Yan oh.
Do you want
Where can we start? Somewhere out there or?
yeah.
I think it's already done.
So let's move over there then.
Yeah.
I'll start over here.
Okay.
Okay. Dito tayo guys. Ito ang mga natanim na guys. So. Yan.
That should be the top. You see there's a taper.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of sharp.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, good. Okay.
are they screwed? Oh,
So this is
anyway, someone's dug the holes here. So let's just get on with it. Oh, there's no trees. No trees here. I'm not doing very well here. Sorry, you might follow me. Sorry.
alright.
We'll get there at the end. Oh, it's over here where it's screwed. Walk down.
Hi.
Did you walk down?
Yeah.
You get a lift.
Yeah, I just walked down.
No, try that. Try taking a hole. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. So do you want to try taking a hole?
Yeah, where?
Stand here.
Anywhere? Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay guys, magbutas tayo guys. Ito ang ibubutas natin, you know.
The seedling.
Yeah, it's high in phosphorus promotes root growth.
Ah,
Yan, may butas na siya guys. Yan. Yan ang butas, tapos ilagyan niya ng
Gloves for this already. Get bone meal.
oh, wow.
And then this way you can catch up.
Halatag nagatanim. How about this girl? Did you make a hole now? You make a hole. Bigger. Square. Yeah.
yeah, that's what it's called.
You well, how big that one? How big that one? That's the make you make
I'll go get the gloves though.
yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's it now.
He knows what to do.
Yan. Kailangan pala label pala guys.
Level.
Level ang kuan. Paglagay. Yan.
So the ground should be level.
Flat. Flat, yeah.
Yeah, flat.
That's it.
And that's an oak tree. That one?
Oak tree. Oak tree. Wow, that is oak tree.
So this one.
Yeah. So it's supposed to go up. That's southwest. So,
Southwest.
yeah. And then the wind pushes that against there.
Mm.
Yeah. So and then we'll hammer it in so it's just above the ceiling side. Then we've got hammer.
Right.
Then what's that? Can someone hammer it in?
You go hammer. You hammer that one. Use the
You've got a hammer.
We don't have a hammer. Let's try this one.
Yeah, it doesn't work great though. It ends up the spade gets broken.
Yeah.
There's a hammer. If you hit some hard stuff, I use both hands.
Okay, yeah.
Get it straight. And make sure it's sturdy. So yeah, and you tape it to the top, that's good, yeah. make sure.
Hammers in the wires. Not the wires, really.
I make sure that the cable tie doesn't go around the tree.
Alright, okay.
Just check the top. Yeah, that's good. That's good, yeah.
So one now.
And so you push this into the ground a bit. And then tighten this inside.
That's secure.
Yeah, you have to tighten it this way.
Ganun pala.
Do that. Solid.
Solid, yeah. Alright.
You might have to borrow Sadie's hammer.
First of crystal. Wow, that is crystal planting. Yeah. Wow.
Can I do another one?
Yeah. Get another one there. Yan. Ito naman, maglagay naman siya.
May bulati, so mataba.
Yan. Kulang pa?
Kulang pa?
Oo. Itaas mo pa. Yan. Mayroon na tanim si Sandy at saka si Crystal. Ayun. Yan. Mayroon na silang tanim, guys. Yan. Yan. Yan guys, so magtanim muna kami guys. Yan. Yan oh, wow. So saan ang kuan mo ngayon? Hammer. Yan ah, yung pala mo na lang.
Masira na.
Yun oh, hammer niya. Ayaw kung pahiram niya.
Pahiram yan. Dito lang yan.
Dito man yun, no?
Oo. Dito ko sa dito yan. Yan siya. Kuan daw. Ipokpok. Yan guys, so. Yan. May tanim na si Sandy at saka si Kuya Robert. Yan. Sige pa kuya. Para matigas. Ayun. Yan. May tanim na si Sandy guys. May tanim na siya na puno dito sa Aluman. Yan.
Balikan mo siya after
3 years. How long this tree grow up? How many years?
after that, I mean, until
Mga
what?
3 years, 4 years, 5 years.
Maybe come back next year, it could be up to there. You know,
Yeah.
next year.
This year is like 6 feet.
Could be, yeah, if it's nice and well, yeah. Yeah, that should be. Oh! You strangulated the bottom. You strangulated the tree there.
Strong.
Cable.
Oh, this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's just the bottom. You might be able to just feed it through. Sometimes you can, if it just,
right,
especially if you bend that over,
Uh-huh.
you can sometimes feed it through. Oh.
Yeah, try.
Yan guys.
Try that.
Sa pagtali guys na isama yung branches ng kahoy. Kaya
Okay na po, okay na po.
yan. Yan guys. Yan na guys. Nakatanim na. Ha?
Opo.
Yan na. Pwede na guys. Happy guys. Yan. Mayroon na tanim si Sandy. Alright guys. So ito na yung natanim natin. Yan oh. Yan. Kita nyo ba yung puno? Yan guys oh. Yan. Yan ang nataniman natin guys oh. Yan. Ang luwang. Ang luwang guys. Yan. Yan. Yan guys. Yan guys. Maraming natanim. Yan siya guys. Oh. Yan. Yan siya guys. Oh. Yan ang mga nagtatanim guys. Oh. Yan. Yan, ikot-ikot tayo. Yan si Kuya Robert guys. Oh. Yan. Sige kuya. Ayan siya. Ang dami. Yan yung mga nagtatanim guys. Yan. Diba? Ang Isle of Man. Ito ang tinatanim guys. Oh, ito. Yan. Yan ang tinatanim niya ko si kuya guys. Oh, yan. Yan lang oh. Ganyan pagtanim dito. Lagyan ng abono doon sa ilalim. Tapos soil sa ibabaw. Yan. Yan siya. Kailangan flat yung kuan, yung level ng kuan seedling doon sa lupa. Yan, hindi pala masyado malalim pagtanim. Ganyan lang pagtanim guys. Madali lang magtanim. Ayan guys, ito si Pelmangs guys. Oh, di ba? Nag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito guys. Oh, di ba? Yan si Kuya. Yan si Kuya sa likod. Yan, nagtatanim siya. Shout out everyone. Yan, magtanim tayo ng punong kahoy para sa mga kabataan. Yan. Tapos yan guys, lagyan niya ng kuan, stick para ilagay yung cover. Yung cover na yan. Ang purpose niyan guys, yung cover na yan para hindi kainin ng rabbit yung tinanim nating punong kahoy. Ayan. 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 Ganyan paglagay. Oh. Ayan siya. Diba? Safe na siya. Kung maghangin, hindi rin matumba kasi naka-hold doon sa baba yung kuan. Oh. So yan, hindi yan talaga mauyog. Yan, matigas. Maskin magbagyo, maghangin, hindi makakuan yan. Kasi nga, nalagyan ng stick. Yan. Ayos. Diba? Tibay. Tibay guys. Yan o. Tibay. Tawagin ko muna yung mga kabataan doon. Yan o. Ang daming natanim guys. So, lahat na yan, may puno na ganyan. Yung mga may kwan ganyan. Mayroon yan. Yan o. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ang lugar ang pangalan ng lugar dito ay St. Mark Douglas, Isle of Man. St. Mark, Isle of Man. Dito guys. Ito oh. Tanim pa siya kuya. Tanim pa dito si kuya oh. Yan oh. May abono na yan kuya? Oh, yan. Yan ang pagkatanim. Oh. Yan lang. Yan. Kailangan durugin yung lupa. Yan siya guys. Oh. Ito naman si Kent guys. Oh. Yan si Kent. Oh.
The other one was broken. Move it.
Ayan.
Did you just
Guys, oh. Tawagin ko muna sila. Yung mga dalawang bata doon ay magkain ng sandwich daw. Ayan. Ito. Ito. Magkain daw muna ng sandwich at saka drinks. We need to eat. Come on guys. Oh. someone assault the hair. Oh, that is too small. You need to get a bigger one. That one. You know that one. Oh, this one, that one.
need a bigger one?
Yeah, bigger that one. This one.
What do I do with this?
Yeah, put that one there. Change it.
Well, that's how we
Nagkuha siya ng gloves. Pinangko ko si Ken. Yeah.
How does one?
Okay, dito na si Sandy guys. Oh, yan si Crystal. Oh, tanim lang kami ng mga puno. Tignan mo. Ayan. Tulungan ni Sandy si Crystal guys. Kasi ipasok nila yung tree doon sa butas. Doon sa tubo. Para hindi kainin daw ng rabbit. Yan pala ang purpose yan. Yun. Yan. Yan pala ang purpose niyan. Yan. Yan. Di ba?
Is it in the thing? Oh.
Yan o. Hindi nila maikarga yung... Hindi nila
Dami kasing ano.
Ang dami daw. Malaki.
Yeah.
Yan. Ang daming sanga-sanga, ang daming mga branches. Kaya, yan. Tulungan muna natin sila guys ha. Sandali lang. Yan guys. Kain-kain. Yan guys, kain-kain muna. Kain muna guys. Dito sila guys. Kain-kain sila dito. Ayun, dito natin. Yan. 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 Dito guys. Guys, ito. Meron tayong kinain na cupcake guys. Cupcake oh. Oh, di ba? Cupcake. Merinda muna. Merinda guys. Ito pa meron pa dito. Ito. Alright guys. Yan tapos na. Yan oh, tapos na guys. Uwian na. Ayan. Time check 12 ng tanghali. Yan tapos na guys. Yan tapos na. 500 na mga puno kahoy. 500 punong kahoy guys ang natanim. Ayan, tapos na. Yan. Alright guys, yan. Okay na. Survive daw. Uwian na guys. Ayan o. Uwian na. Pansit daw, magpakain si Kuya Robert. Ayan o. Ayan guys o. Yan yung mga kasamahan namin. Okay guys, yan, tapos na kami. Ayan, tapos na guys. Yan, maraming salamat.
Like a monkey. Just because the ears. So.
Ito yung mga ginamit namin mga pala guys. Tools. Maganda yung pala nila dito. Oh. Pang digging talaga ba. Tapos ito naman yung abonong ginamit guys. Soil.
That is not done yet.
Yan, oh. Tapos na? Uwi na? Ano naman? Uwi na guys? Ha?
Dad, where do I put this?
You hold it.
I don't have any. That's why I'm asking.
Yan. Alright guys, tignan nyo guys, ito yung mga pala dito guys. Oh. Ito yung mga pala. Gamit. Jig. Ano? Yun. Diba? Alright, where are you going?
I know how to factorize.
You've got things to one letter, so let's just say like X, yeah. And then
What's
you
the
get,
example?
let's just say, let's do it to X.
Guys, oh, tignan nyo ang mga pala. Ang dami. Yan, oh. Ito ang maganda na pala.
One of them died when I was there though.
Yung patulis, yan ang magandang pangtanim. Yan.
Take some props, I want to have props.
Yeah. Looks far better.
Get one, Kent.
Ken's got one.
Yan guys. Dito guys, oh. Diba? Ito yung mga kasama namin nagtanim. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan. Alright. So ito na guys, oh. Alright guys, so maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At tapos na kami nagtanim. At pauwi na kami. Alright.
I hate to do it, but he just teed them up for me, really. He just teed them up.
Alright. Alright, yeah.
See you later.
See you later. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, no worries.
Thank you for bringing the family.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Did he do much work? Did he? Good to know. Good. Yes, I can see. He's dirty. He's been in the earth. Well done, you. Good lad.
Alright. Thank you very much.
See you later.
Cheers, mate. Bye.
You're not very dirty though, are you? That's
mainly
probably just you like doing this. That's like, you're not dirty.
Alright guys, yan na. Tapos na kaming nagtanim. Pauwian na. Yee! Nakatanim na kami ng kwan. 50. Tagsa 10 ang isa. Yan. Yan o. Thumbnail natin. Sa pagtanim ng... Ang ganda ng kwan dito guys. Ang ganda ng... Maghanap ako ng kwan.
Fresh.
Bagong
Squeeze.
tain ng baka. Kay kunin ko, i-squeeze ko ba yung sabaw niya. Kay gagawin kong papaitan. Yee! Yan guys. Alright. Shout out sa mga taga-Bangilan dyan. Nandito si Sandy guys. So, yan o. Sino ba yan nakamiss kay Sandy? Diyan sa Bangilan. Nandito siya. Kasama ko. Wala daw. Alright guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kaya hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Ayan. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Yahoo!